Guys, today I will explain the powerful guide in predicting the next winning number. I will explain this exact technique. Okay. When someone stumble in my channel and see my videos, they always comment on how this method works. Does it work? Can you win the lottery? Guys, of course, you need to identify the pattern, follow the trend of the winning number. Today, I will explain a very powerful technique that can predict the next winning number to be drawn. Okay. On this technique, of course, we will always based on the previous draw number. 3 days or 4 days previous results. The results for evening, midday, and morning draw. These are the basis for your skip counting. Okay, what is the skip counting? As you can see, these skips that we are counting, this is the number on how many times it was been drawn based on the current results. As you can see, example is number 4. The number 4 has not been drawn in 7 times based on the current result. Okay guys, hope it is clear. Now, we will hunt for the next winning number, where there is always 1 or 2 winning number that can be identified, and we will pair this cold number or the winning number to the hot number, or based on the most skips. On this example, the most skips are 4, 7, and 5. We can pair this winning number or the cold number. The number that has not been drawn, you must identify this. In this example, as you can see, 5 and 3 has not been drawn within 3 days. Okay. After we identified our cold number and the winning number and the hot number and the most drawn number, we must wait or maintain the combination we generated. There are no other way to catch an exact match win but just to maintain your chosen or identified combination. You must maintain and wait for the cold number, the number that has been drawn, to be drawn. This is the only way to catch an exact match winning. But as you can see, when choosing 4 numbers, you have just occupied 4 out of 10. Look, you have 40%. When you have 5 chosen number, you have 50% against 10 number. Guys, hope my explanation is very clear.